Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. We're at Interop New York 2011. On our program is Calvin Nicholson. He is the Senior Director of Software and Firmware Development at Server Technology. Calvin, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you.
So your company's in the power distribution business. I was hoping you could tell us a little bit more about what's happening.
Sure. So first off, power distribution encompasses several things for us. It's really power monitoring, it's power control, and it's also environmental monitoring and the things that go along with that. So it's really an all-encompassing power distribution solution within the data center cabinet.
Now, we just spoke a moment ago off camera about just the move to the cloud and how that's affecting your business. I'd love if you could share with the audience what's happening there.
Sure. So I think a lot of companies are looking at the cloud to increase their capacity without really adding data center space. So for us, it's more raised floor space, it's more cabinets, and it's a great opportunity to produce more product and have product in the cloud environment. And I really think that's going to be a growing trend within the industry. I think a lot of people are looking at that rather than building and the additional expense of adding capacity to their own facilities. They're looking to the cloud to fill that gap for them and hopefully do it in a more cost-effective manner.
Are there any other trends that are taking place in your business?
Well, there's several trends. We continue to produce a large number of products. So this year alone, we've launched 220 something new products. So we're really looking at the unique solutions for the customer and producing products that meet those needs. So if there's a power capacity or a number or type of outlets or a certain density, we produce those solutions. So it's led to a large number of new products coming out, and really goes to show you that though things are becoming kind of consolidated within the data center, people still need unique solutions to fulfill their needs to produce products for the customers.
Now, your typical customer, has that changed much? I mean, I imagine there's more cloud vendors calling you, but other than that?
No, I don't know that it really has. The people that are in the cloud are the same people we were doing business with before, so I think it's a little bit of a shift. And so no, I don't think that the customer base has changed too much because of that.
Now, in terms of what's happening globally, are you seeing any areas of strength versus weakness?
I think that data center space is an early indicator, and we're seeing a lot of growth and a lot of activity and a lot of new projects. So we're seeing that here and we're seeing that internationally. So hopefully that's a leading indicator of better things to come. So in other words, it's continuing. The growth is continuing. It is. The growth is continuing. Absolutely.
So even with the turmoil in the Middle East and in Europe, we're seeing consistent spending in data centers.
We are, absolutely. Yeah. They need the capacity to support their customers, whether it's finance or insurance or internet providers. It continues to grow.
And how do you think your company is going to evolve over the next 5 years to just deal with what's happening in the markets?
Well, we're going to continue to innovate. We have revamped our Central Power Manager, our software tool. 5.0 version has a new interface, much easier to use, consolidation of the information, a lot of scheduling features, scheduling database backups, scheduling reports, scheduling turning things on and off, that type of stuff. So we're going to continue to automate. We've also updated our firmware as well. So we've got a new version of firmware, much more graphical, much more user-friendly as well. So our 5.0 software and our 6.1 firmware together are a very powerful combination for us.
And what sorts of things will the new upgrade to firmware help your customers with?
Well, a lot of it is kind of matching the look and feel and functionality of our software tool. A lot of it is more interactive, trending and bar charts and more at a glance, not type view information that's easier to see and really easier to understand when you look at it.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for being on the program.
Well, thank you.